This year, we traveled all the way to Fort St. John, BC, to perform a smart film installation in a school. We thoroughly cleaned the glass before applying the film. Then, we applied the film and squeezed out all air bubbles. We repeated this process until all the smart film was successfully installed. Now, the school windows go from clear to frosted when powered on and off. See how simple that was? Let's take a look from the outside. Contact us today to get started on your switchable glass project.